This channel is barely 1 year old, and it's already sitting at 1.41 million subscribers, posting 14-minute videos. And here's the crazy part. Once your system is set up, each of these videos takes about 5 minutes to make. 5 minutes with free AI tools. Hey guys, today I'm sharing an evergreen niche that's ridiculously easy to pull off, and I'm walking you through the entire setup step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll have a machine that spits out a full video in 5 minutes flat. The only thing I need from you to actually win in this niche is one word: consistency. Now, before you look at the estimated monthly earnings of just $3.7K and scroll away, hold on. I'll show you why that number is deceiving and how you can clone this exact setup across multiple channels. So trust me, the potential here is way bigger than what you see on screen. Look, I have no clue if anyone actually watches my videos all the way through and then takes action. But if you do follow my tutorial for this niche, drop a comment down below so everyone else watching gets a little extra motivation too. Alright, the tools we're using for this type of video are ChatGPT or Claude, plus Google Gemini TTS, plus Flow CapCut. That's it. All stuff you can start with for free. Quick favor before we dive in, smash that like button and hit subscribe so I stay motivated to keep pumping out videos like this. Deal? Okay, let's go. Step 1. Head over to this channel, or any similar channel in the space, and screenshot this image right here. Then paste it into Claude or ChatGPT and ask it to analyze the image and give you 5 similar image prompts. No subtitles baked into the images, the character style is totally up to you, and set the image size to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Here's the exact style I'm using. And while you're at it, ask the AI to suggest 10 catchy channel names that fit the niche. Keep them easy to remember. 3 words is perfect. Now, this sounds simple, but almost nobody does it properly. You pick the single best channel name, drop it into every image prompt, generate your characters. Then choose the best image and lock it in. That exact image gets reused for every single video going forward. Do not change it. Character consistency is what makes your channel feel like a real brand. Personally, I use ChatGPT here because it gives me the most solid image quality. But here's where it gets interesting. This next part is what turns a slow manual grind into a 5-minute workflow. Copy the 5 most recent video scripts from that channel and ask Claude to analyze all 5 scripts along with the attached title images. Then have it build you 2 skills. The first one writes 20 video topics every time you run it, and you name it Part 1 English Education Topic Skill. The second one writes full video scripts, and you name it Part 2 English Education Script Skill. So every time you feed it a topic, the AI automatically writes the entire script plus the title for you. Each video should average around 14 minutes, and the script is a conversation between 2 characters, a guy and a girl. Let's say Alex and Jenny. Make sure it clearly labels Speaker Alex and Speaker Jenny because that makes generating the audio way easier later. Then save both of these skills. From here, you just type /Part1 English Education Topic Skill and save all those topics to use over time. Then type /Part2 English Education Script Skill along with 1 topic, hit enter, and boom, full script. Alright, script done. That's the brain of your system built. And honestly, that was the hardest part. Now let's give it a voice. Head into Google AI Studio. Choose the speech and music models. Pick Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS. Then select the Energetic Co-Host preset. In the speaker settings, choose a voice for Alex and a voice for Jenny. And this is the part most people completely overlook. Make sure Speaker 1 and Speaker 2 actually match the dialogue from the script Claude wrote, or your whole audio gets scrambled. Click on text and paste the conversation into this box. One more thing, remember to delete the line that says, fast, slightly overlapping pacing in the sample context up top. We want a slow, expressive, easy-to-follow delivery, because our audience is learning English. Hit enter, then download the file. If you're using Gemini TTS for the voiceover, I'd recommend splitting the audio into shorter parts around 2 to 2.5 minutes each. From what I've seen, that works best. Once a segment runs much longer than that, the voice slowly gets quieter toward the end, and the quality drops off compared to how it started.
Now let me play a little bit of this so you can hear it.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Jay, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
Hi Alex. Hi everyone. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Jenny, I want to start with a little confession about when I was learning my second language.
Oh, I think I know where this is going. Tell me.
Every time I wanted to say something, I built the whole sentence in my first language first.
And then you translated it word by word into English, right?
Exactly. And by the time I was ready, the conversation had already moved on.
Yes, that's the classic problem. Your brain is doing two jobs at once.
The voice sounds expressive, warm, friendly, and honestly pretty natural. I really like it. What do you think? 2 steps left, and they're both quick. Next up, we're building the brand identity for the channel. And here's the thing. You only create these files once and then reuse them for every video after that. So take your time here and make it stand out. First, create a main character for your channel. This becomes your profile picture and builds brand recognition. You can use the exact prompt I've got on screen or tweak it and give the character your own favorite details. Then we create the channel intro. You can copy this prompt of mine to generate your intro, create it once, use it forever. I recommend using Omni in Flow or Seedance to get the cleanest intro quality possible. Okay, now we jump into CapCut and stitch everything together. Drag your intro, your character image, and your audio down into the timeline. Place your AI avatar right here in the right corner. Drag the audio sticker down and place it here. Run auto captions, and I like to position the captions at the top of the desktop area. Give everything a quick check, then export. And that's it. One full video.
Welcome to English Channel with Jay.
Let's learn real English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Channel with Jay. We're learning
Every time you make a new podcast, just duplicate your previous project, rename it, delete the old audio, and drop in the new one. Run auto captions again, then drag the captions into place. That's it. CapCut's auto captions don't add punctuation, so you can have Claude fix the punctuation in your SRT file and then import the corrected captions back in. After that, you're ready to export. If one video only takes you 5 minutes, nothing is stopping you from running this exact same system on 2, 3, even 5 channels at once. Same workflow, different characters, different channel names. That's when the math starts getting really fun. Oh, and one more thing. Please spend real time on your thumbnails. An eye-catching thumbnail is what gets your video in front of a bigger audience in the first place. So here's the key to winning in this niche. Test with a few email accounts, stay consistent, and publish one video per day. The math is simple. The methods are proven. The only difference is consistency. Most people quit right before they break through. Never give up. Oh, and one more thing. Please spend more time on your thumbnails. An eye-catching thumbnail is what gets your video in front of a bigger audience in the first place. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like the channel. See ya!